Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. Today I'm going to be quickly cleaning the boys' bathroom and decluttering and organizing underneath of their sink using items from the Dollar Tree. This video is a part of a huge collaboration of beautiful women supporting women here on YouTube. The collab is hosted by Lisa from To Each Their Own Homeschool here on YouTube. I will leave all of the links in the description box below. If you need some serious motivation to declutter, clean, and organize, stay tuned.
Bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer?
Before I start organizing anything, I am going to give the bathroom a very quick clean. This is not a deep clean by any means, just to get the toothpaste off of the sink and to make sure their toilet area and the bathroom is fully sanitized. So I'm going to do that first and then we'll get into decluttering and organizing.
Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game.
For those of you who are new, hi, I'm Taylor. I am a single mom living in the DMV with my two sons who are 9 and 3. I work full-time and do YouTube as a hobby. If you are new to my channel, leave a purple umbrella emoji in the comment section below. If you have seen my videos before, leave a red scarf emoji.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you.
So now I'm going to remove everything from underneath of their sink and give it a good wipe down with a Clorox wipe. My goal for the organization under here is for it to be extremely functional. I don't want it to get disorganized all over again because we can't reach things that we need from day to day. So I'm going to make sure that everything they need is sort of in the front, and then anything that can be stored away, we'll put that in the back, along with the cleaning products that I don't want them to have easy access to, but I need easy access to. I had a ton of decluttering to do and I didn't even realize that. A lot of these products were from when Ethan was a baby, so they were like really expired. Here are the bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. My 9-year-old picked out the color, and I also picked up a couple of other things to help organize their bathroom. Now it's time to sort.
Love me like girl. Love me like girl. Love me like a stranger.
now to put everything back in. Of course, I overestimated the amount of space that I had under here, but it all ends up working out. I just have to move things around and play with the configuration.
What will be, wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there.
And we are all done. The boys' bathroom is nice and clean and sanitized, and underneath of their sink is now a functional storage area. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the post notification bell and the like button. It really helps my channel out. Check out the other wonderful women a part of this huge collaboration following the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!